Selection of Megger. The rated voltage of common Megger includes 500 volt, 1000 volt, 2500 volt and 5000 volt, several kinds. When using a Megger, you should select an appropriate one according to the rated voltage of the tested equipment. To test low-voltage equipment and a secondary circuit, a 500 volt Megger can be selected. Whereas to test high-voltage equipment of 1000 volt and above, a 1000 volt, or 2500 volt, or 5000 volt Megger should be selected. If you want to measure the absorption ratio or polarization index of an equipment's insulation, the capacity of a Megger must meet demand, that is, a Megger's short-circuit current should be not less than 1 mA or 2 mA respectively. Appearance inspection. If there is damage, if the terminal button is firm, if the certificate is within the verification period, etc. Instrument connection. Connect the red test line to the line terminal L and tighten it. Connect the black test wire to the grounding terminal E and tighten it. Open circuit check and short circuit check. You'll need to check if the Megger is normal before measurement. Step 1. Separate the red test clip from the black one and shake the handle clockwise. The Megger pointer should indicate infinity. Step 2. Short-circuit the red and black test clip and shake the handle clockwise, the pointer should indicate 0. If it meets both cases, the Megger is normal. To ensure safety of persons and equipment and the accurate measurement of data, the rules guidelines for on-site insulation test, insulation resistance, absorption ratio and polarization index test should be abided during insulation resistance measurement. Take measuring the insulation resistance of cables phase A to phase B, C and armor for an example. Firstly, disconnect the external wires on both sides of the cable and discharge the tested phases end to ground with a discharge rod. The other two phases are the same as this operation. Wipe off the dirt on insulation surface of the tested phase with a clean cloth. Connect the other end of the black wire, which have been connected to the grounding terminal E of the Megger to the grounding terminal of the tested object. If the leakage current on insulation surface of the tested phase is large, it should be shielded by connecting the shield end G of the Megger to a shielding ring in order to improve measurement accuracy. Shake the handle of the Megger to 120 round per minute and connect the high voltage end L to the tested phase end with an insulating tool. Keep speed of the Megger's handle at 120 round per minute for 1 minute or so and read the measurement value. After having read the value, you should disconnect the L terminal wiring first, then stop turning the handle of the Megger. Measurement is forbidden when there is lightning or equipment is running. The equipment can only be measured when it is uncharged or unendorsed. Working on the tested equipment is forbidden during the measurement. The two measuring lines of the Megger should be separated instead of twisting together. Touching the terminals of the Megger or the tested equipment is forbidden before the handle of the Megger stop rotating or the tested equipment is discharged. Don't touch the metal part of the lead when disconnect the wires. After the measurement, discharging fully is proper for large capacitance equipment. The weather, temperature, humidity and condition of the tested equipment as well as model and serial number of the measuring Megger should be recorded so as to analyze and judge the measurement results. The method of using digital Megger meter. Confirm that the tested equipment is uncharged and being safely grounded and that the E terminal of the Megger is grounded. Connect the E, L terminal of the Megger to the grounding terminal and the line end of the tested equipment successively. Connect the G terminal to the shielding ring of the tested equipment. place the selective switch in the required rated voltage gear. Then 1 is showed at the first place of the display screen, which means that the power is on. Press the test button. The first place of the display screen will show 1 if the measurement value exceeds the upper limit of the instrument range. In the meantime, the last 3 digits are not displayed. After having read the value, you should press the test button first and then the power light of the Megger stop flashing. Then turn the selective switch to the off position and turn off the power. Next, discharge the tested equipment fully and remove the test lines to avoid electric shock. Matters need attention. If the instrument is powered on while the display shows under voltage symbol, it indicates low battery and needs replace the battery.